Okay, now that I've brought the heater over the plastic, what I want to do is just make sure it spends enough time heating the plastic to soften up, to make it more malleable. What we can do is we can check the timer of how long the heater is over the plastic. What I suggest is every 30 seconds you push the heater back and you check the plastic. This is where you have to be especially careful, because this is where the plastic is really hot. So you don't want to keep your fingers on there for too long, but you can see how it bounces. It's got a texture of like a balloon, okay? And so we're pretty much almost ready. So the next thing you want to do is you want to push the heater back. You want to bring the platform up and turn the vacuum on. Okay, you leave it on just for an extra few seconds. You turn the vacuum off. So once you turn the vacuum off, and remember this is still hot, so you need to be careful. What you need to do is you need to lift off the toggle clamps. And just make sure it's not too hot to handle. And just bring the mold across here. Sometimes the mold can be a bit sticky, so you just have to fry it up a little bit just to get it off. Just making sure that you do not damage your actual work. And that's how you would vacuum form.